And suddenly, what they see, that child is so holy, so pious. He talks of pious things. He speaks of Allah's addresses to him and visions and things. So that happened not like we witness in ordinary child. I just gave that example to make you understand. Such things also happen to ordinary children, that they see good dreams and they begin to relate. That was just to make you understand things. But that is not totally at par with Hazrat Isa ﷺ's experience. That must have been a very special and pronounced experience. But everybody understood that this child is not claiming to be a prophet. Only he is telling us that I saw this and I saw that, and they forgot about that claim as they went out of the house. I mean, they never took it seriously. So he was not made a prophet in the true sense of the word. This is what my inference is. He was shown these experiences because of his circumstances. Because people must begin to see him in a different light. And they must have begun to see him in a different light, because he was highly respected later on in the society. When he made the claim to prophethood, like all other prophets, he occupied a position of respect in the society at that time. They must have watched him right from the beginning and seen him develop into a very pious boy, a pious young man. And this all started because, as I have told, he was born in an exceptional circumstance. There is no complimentary question to this, I hope. Yeah?
One prophet, but my question was regarding some other prophets.
That I have already told you, that in the Holy Quran we do not find any reference to any other prophet who began to declare his prophethood in so many words right from his childhood.
My question?
Not right from childhood, at the time of his childhood, I should have said, yes.
No, this covers my question, but I wanted to know certain Ibrahim or other prophets, they became prophets, they knew that they were prophets.
Who told you? Who told you?
They were not prophets.
This is not what you said. You said they knew they were prophets. Didn't you say that?
They were made prophets.
No. Let's first finish with what you have said, just said. You just said that Hazrat Ibrahim ﷺ and others, right from the childhood, knew that they were prophets. From which time?
I'm not talking about childhood.
All right.
I'm talking about
Maturity. After maturity, they began to know, they began to realize, at least, that they were prophets. Is that what you what you say?
They knew from God that they were made prophets.
Immediately at the time of maturity.
Not immediately.
How far afterwards?
I want to know whether they were the prophets of
So you go in the vicinity of,
different ages.
by raising the age gradually, you will ultimately reach the vicinity of 40 years.
I want you to know this.
Yes, please. Assalamu alaikum.